quick reading for February the 1st to February the 2nd, Scorpio. So we have the Five of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Chariot. So sabihin natin meron kayong mga hindi na pagkasundoan no, nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, or buwan. Ngayon magkakaroon kayo ng parang meeting halfway, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng parang agreement, no? Between you two. And the agreement is not, sige separate ways na tayo. Wala namang ganon. So the agreement here is paano natin aayusin, no? Itong relationship na parang feeling natin siguro hindi na rin ito maayos. Feeling lang natin. Pero I feel like someone here is going to come up with a solution kasi the Nine of Cups is showing. For a few numbers of you na parang nailagay sa third party situation, it felt like medyo mapaplansya na ito, no? Mawawala na itong third party with the Chariot kasi nakikita natin medyo pa urong na kayo, no? Pasulong na kayo at iiwan nyo na yung problemang ito. So this is your quick reading, Scorpio, for February the 1st to February the 2nd.
Predicting future isn't my purpose.